Hey there, welcome back. So Amazfit is on the verge of unveiling 3 new wearables called Amazfit GTR 3, GTR 3 Pro and GTS 3 on 11th of October. Ahead of the launch, we have a good chunk of information to share with you guys, so stay tuned and I'll be back with all the details right after this. First, let's start with GTR 3 and GTR 3 Pro. Both will share similar design language, that is a round dial, near bezel-less screen with curved glass, and the report also suggests that all 3 models will come in a lightweight construction made up of an aluminum alloy body. So overall, it's very similar to its predecessor with an attractive design. The vanilla GTR 3 will get the same 1.39-inch OLED panel with 454 by 454 pixel resolution, although the bezels will be shrunk from 4.39mm to 4.05. The battery will be 450 mAh, which we did mention in our previous video. As far as features are concerned, it will boast the same features as its predecessor, which I will tell you in brief later in the video. As for GTR 3 Pro, the device sports a 1.45-inch OLED display with an upgraded 331 ppi panel. On top of that, it delivers an improved 70.59% screen-to-body ratio. Moreover, it comes with narrower bezels that measures just 3.5mm. As for features, both GTR 3 and 3 Pro will get 150 sports mode support, Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, and other useful features such as music storage, Bluetooth calls, speaker, SpO2, swimming pulse measurement, respiratory rate measurement, biometric sensor, sports mode, and breathing exercises. Moving on to the final product, Amazfit GTS 3. This features a 1.75-inch display with a smaller 390 by 450 pixel resolution. Additionally, this too comes with 150 sports modes and more than 150 watch faces. Finally, coming to OS, the watches will run on a proprietary Zepp OS, which will boast faster and smoother animations thanks to 60 FPS fast refresh rate. Generally, watches don't go as high, so this will definitely provide smoother operation. As far as prices goes, the GTS 3 will ask about $205, while the GTR 3 and 3 Pro will go for $215 and $225 respectively. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching and catch you guys in the next one.